Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Maligayang Pasko pa rin po at isang masaganang bagong taon po sa inyong lahat. Pakibati nga po ang bawat isa. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Pasko pa rin po, kaya huwag kayong mahiyang magbatian ng maligayang Pasko. At muli po, isang masaganang bagong taon and a happy Jubilee year for everyone. As we all know that last December 30, here in the Archdiocese of Manila, we already opened the year-long celebration of the Ordinary Jubilee Year of 2025, Pilgrims of Hope. Kaya Happy Jubilee Year po sa bawat isa po sa atin. More than celebrating and expressing our gratitude for gifts, food, people, experiences that we have all experienced this Christmas season at nung mga nakaraang araw ng mga pagdiriwang po natin, let us also not forget that we also celebrate the many desires of God to all of us. Mula pa noong pong Adbyento at hanggang dumating po ang Kapaskuhan, tinutupo ng Diyos ang nais niyang maging Diyos na kapiling natin, Emmanuel. And He also wished that He will not just be God with us, but He also desired that we can call on Him. Sa mga nagsimba po sa inyo last Friday, we all celebrated the memorial of the most holy name of Jesus. That this God is someone we can call on. God who has a name, Jesus. But today, my dear brothers and sisters, we also celebrate one goodness of God, na hindi lang siya Diyos na kaisa natin. Hindi lang siya Diyos na matatawag natin. He also wishes to show Himself not only to some, not only to a few, but to all of us. The manifestation of the Lord to the nations. Kaya we call this day the solemnity of the Epiphany, Epiphanio, manifestation, pagpapakita. Jesus showed Himself through that star and through His very presence as a gentle and a loving child of Mary and Joseph. And this manifestation of Jesus was not only a pure show-up, dahil sa pagpapakita niya, may mga buhay na nabago. May mga taong pinagpala. May mga naging malinaw ang buhay nila. And this was the story of Israel, of the Israelites after their captivity in our first reading. God showed up. God manifested. God revealed. And that is why they enjoyed freedom. On the one hand, we know Saint Paul, how he was a hater, one of the haters of those following Christ. But take note, the mystery was made known to him by revelation. And with that, from being a persecutor, he now became a follower. And the story of the Magi is no exempt. Noong nakita nila ang tala, nung ginabayan sila ng tala patungo sa lugar ng kapanganakan ni Jesus, they were overjoyed. Take note, overjoyed. Hindi lang masaya, sobrang saya nila nung nakita nila ang talang ito. They worshiped Jesus. They offered the gifts of gold, the frankincense, and myrrh. And after Jesus revealed Himself, they went to their country by another way. No longer to report to Herod, but for a new life waiting for them. My dear brothers and sisters, when Jesus revealed himself, lives of people changed. Lives became happy. Lives became blessed. And it is good that we celebrate the solemnity of the Epiphany on the first Sunday of the year. At marahil, madami pa rin po sa atin ang mga nag-iisip ng kani-kanilang mga New Year's resolution. Magpapapayat na ako this New Year. Kakain na ako ng healthy this New Year. Hindi na ako magiging masungit this New Year. Magiging mapagbigay na ako this New Year. Babawas-bawasan ko na ang cellphone ko this New Year. And for the many New Year's resolution we all wish to do. But maybe it is good to consider that if Jesus showed up, if God revealed himself, he also wishes the same to all of us. To show up, to shine bright, and be a blessing to others, so that we can make lives also happy. We can also console others. We can make lives of people comfortable, and our environment a consoling one. Let me tell you one part of my life. In the seminary po, as part of our formation, we were assigned to different committees. Committees to take charge and to be a chairman, so to say. Kung magaling ka sa music, syempre ilalagay ka sa music committee. Kung magaling ka maglinis, no? Lokohan nga po namin, no? Pinalaki kang janitor, no? Dahil talagang mabusisi ka maglinis. Gusto mo man ng malinis na lugar. Then, you are to be assigned in the so-called General Services Committee. Kung magaling ka magkumpuni ng mga wires, ng sound system, ng ilaw, may tinatawag kaming Lights and Sounds Committee sa seminaryo. When it was time for us to be the chairman of this committee, our class, no, something came out. Kung saan ka walang masyadong gamay, doon ka ilalagay. At ganun po ang nangyari sa amin. I know for myself that I love liturgy. Pinag-aaralan ko nga po yan ngayon. But on the day of the announcement, it was said, for Music and Arts Committee, Vicente Gabriel Bautista. At hindi ko po alam ano ang mararamdaman ko nung araw na iyon. Dahil wala po akong alam sa music and arts. Nakakabasa po ako ng nota at nakakakanta po ako. Hindi po ako magaling mag-drawing. Maarte lang po ako. Nakaka-appreciate po ako ng art. But to draw, to do arts, that's not me. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, this has been the experience of showing up. And I thank my formators, even my classmates, for trusting me and for moving me to show up. My hidden talents were unleashed, if I may say. Kung kilala niyo po si Father Carlo Marcelo, he was the one who composed our cathedral hymn, yung Pinagpala Ka Maria. He also taught me to at least, he would give me the piece and tell me, ituro mo ito sa choir. At sa kanya pong mga, and with his guidance, At least I was able to unleash that music teacher in me. And the community appreciated our songs. Our father formators loved our hymns, our choir assemblies then. Thanks to my artist classmates, they unleashed an artist in me as we do seminary projects, community activities that would need so-and-so designs na hindi ko namang ginagawa. Hindi na nga ako humahawak ng paintbrush at ng pintura, pero nagawa ko ng mga taon na iyon. It was a time for me to unleash, to show up, and even to shine something that is hidden in me. When we show up, my dear friends, when we go out of our own shells, or say, go out of our own boxes, when we shine, know that you can make others happy. Know that you can bless lives. Know that sometimes people may change their lives. As Jesus revealed himself today to the Magi and to the nations and to all of us, he has blessed many. He has changed the lives of many. Lives became happy. At nais din ito ni Jesus para sa bawat isa sa atin. Show up, shine, go out and make yourself known. You might be the voice that we need to hear. You might be the leader that we wish to lead us in this life. You might be the hidden wisdom we all need in this world. Go out, shine, make yourself known. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Ipahayag din po ninyo ang inyong sarili. Baka mula po sa inyo, may mabagong buhay, may maging masaya, may maging pinagpala sa buhay na ito.